Colorful, creamy, loaded with lots of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, this dragon fruit and banana smoothie is going to be a must try. The smoothie is also perfect for pre and post workout because it's loaded with bananas and dates, which give you energy. You're going to need very few ingredients for this smoothie recipe. I have some cold milk, frozen dragon fruit, I have 4 dates, and 3 small bananas. You can double or even triple the ingredients to make some more delicious dragon fruit and banana smoothie. So I'm going to be using my Nutri blender to blend up my smoothie because the recipe is for 1 or 2 at most. So I'm going to start off by peeling and chopping up my banana into my blender. If you're going to be using large bananas, you can add in 1 or 2. The bananas are already sweet, but we are going to be adding in more sweetness by adding in 1 to 3 dates. So I'm going to remove the pit before adding in my blender. Add in my frozen dragon fruit. And cold milk. Cover my blender and blend everything until smooth. Once everything is smooth, we're going to serve in a glass, mason jar, and it's going to be looking very nice because as you can see, it has a very nice pink color from the dragon fruit. Also, it's going to have little specks of black spots because of the dragon seeds, and it's going to be creamy. Your smoothie is going to be chilled and you can add in some more milk to thin it out, or you can leave it just as it is because it's super thick and filling. So the smoothie stands out amazing. As you can see, it is very colorful because it has a very nice pink color and it's also sweet. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it's going to be so delicious.